how you can build totally automated affiliate marketing business as a beginner with ClickBank and be making 10,000 or 15,000 US dollars in profit per month as an affiliate. Now, as you watch this video, you know I'm traveling all around the world. You know I'm super affiliate. I'm always showcasing wherever I travel on my IG or my Instagram, right? And the reason why is because I want to show you what life is possible, what kind of freedom you can achieve and lifestyle once you take affiliate marketing seriously. What do I mean by that? You see, I have struggled in the past. 6 years ago, I struggled. I didn't know how to make one sale per day with affiliate marketing. But once I got mentored, I got the right person to help me, that I learned from the right person, right? And I had the right system. It enabled me to get this aha moment and see, wait a minute, affiliate marketing is nothing else than online business promoting other people's products, right? People are buying products now more than ever before, especially about this COVID stuff. E-commerce is going up, online sales are going up, Amazon orders are going up, right? So the only question is, are you the one who is going to take advantage of that and get yourself some kind of commissions online side hustle? Maybe you want to help your kids, your spouse, your wife, your husband, I don't know, whoever you're watching this video right now. I know you have something in you to make it happen. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, what you need, it's a mini site, mini blog, mini pre-sale page. What is that? This is basically one page site, like a quiz funnel, where you actually functionally identify a person, bring them into the problem state and move them into the solution state. Because affiliate marketing is nothing more than change work. It's actually, what we are doing is we are offering solutions for the people's pains and problems. Okay? Every single person went online at night on Google and Google some symptom about the disease, about their body, maybe about the product they want to buy, maybe about new iPhone, new computer, new laptop, new, I don't know, course, right? It's normal. We are all going on Google to get educated or to buy a product. It is what it is. It works, right? So, as you watch this video right now, you have to understand what you need is mini website, pre-sale page. You need to have 5 pre-sale points, okay? Because we are pre-selling to human beings, not to AI robots. And that's why many people are failing, because they don't understand. Again, it's not your fault. If you have ever failed before and you didn't make any money, it's not your fault. And the reason why is because, you see my friend, the reason why is because you did not know what you don't know. You don't know what you don't know. So the main point is, all super affiliates, behind the scenes, what we are doing is, we know who is our audience, what is the language like, we put them the copywriting on our page, we identify it, we put person in a problem state, and then with our ads and pre-sale page move them into the solution state. Because most people are problem unaware. They don't know they have a problem. But most affiliates go after people who are in buying state. And my friend, let me tell you the secret. Only 10% of people around the world right now, as you watch this video, are in the buying state. It means, for example, there are people right now with credit card going and buy something online. The rest are just playing on TikTok, maybe watching YouTube videos like this one. Maybe they are watching Facebook, talking to their friends on Messenger. They are not there to buy. Understand me? Does it make sense? Now, my friend, this is the secret. If you know how to put a person who is not aware about the problem into the problem state, okay, in the problem state, then you get a good outcome. It means you make a sale on ClickBank. You make sale, you make affiliate commissions without showing your face, without making videos. Having one site, okay, and a funnel. Funnel is basically decision-making process, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so you need to have the right message to the market match. You see, let me tell you this. What is the right message to the market match? It means you need to have the right message. Because if you are promoting, let's say, a steak, beef steak, ribeye to the vegan, you can give them 100 euros or dollars and they won't buy, they won't take it, even if it's free. Why? Because it's the wrong audience, it's the wrong message. It's not, there is no alignment. You see, there is no alignment, there is no connection there. And that's why most people are struggling to make money online. That is the reason why, because you don't have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, and hand-holding you so you can get sustainable income online, passive income online. Okay, sustainable. I'm not promising you millions. I'm talking about what you could do with extra 8,000 to 15,000 US dollars per month, or $3,000 in the first 7 days. Right? It does work. Okay, most of people don't know on ClickBank you can get $100 to $300 from one sale, commission, even more, $500 from one sale. But with low ticket it's very easy. Why? Because the whole funnel, usually it means like you'll have front end product for $27 or $47, and then you're gonna have upsell 1, upsell 2, downsell, cross sell. So for the whole funnel pays out, let's say $400, $500, $700, and you can make all these commissions from one customer that you referred to via your affiliate link on ClickBank. Now you see how this works, right? So if you really want to get results, if you really want to succeed with ClickBank affiliate marketing, having someone to mentor you, to support you along the way, let me know. Okay? Connect with me on my WhatsApp, email, Facebook, or Instagram. All the links are in the description below.